Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new to the channel, I will show you the list of shares that I am interested in based on the technical analysis. If you are interested in these kind of videos, please hit the subscribe button and also click the like button. If you subscribe, then I will know that you are interested in these videos and I can do more of these videos on weekly basis. Also, please remember this is not a financial advice. These are my thoughts and opinions only. You need to do your own analysis. So for those of you who are new to the channel, I trade in Indian market, that is NSE, as a NRI from Australia. I trade weekly time frame because that gives a bit of a convenience, and also it takes a bit of a time with the broker and the whole transaction to settle down. Today I will also show you my trades with Zerodha account, which is an NRI account. I'm not an expert in trading. I'm also learning as I trade. I have taken my set of losses. Maybe this video will help you in tweaking your own trading process. We'll start with Nifty 100. Nifty 100 has been consolidating for the past 3 weeks, and I like the way the last week's candle has formed. It has formed a wick with a bit of a rejection at the bottom. So this candle is this week's candle. I was supposed to do a video on Saturday, which I did not, but today is Monday midnight. That's why you are seeing this candle here. Clearly last week has definitely shown some strength in the market, but I'm not sure how far the bull strength will continue to run because we are approaching previous highs from Jan and Feb. I will continue to feel uncertain till we have the vaccination out. So from last week's scanning, I have placed orders on all three Adani, Deepak Fertilizers and GMMP. All three got executed. Adani was the last one that got executed on Friday. So this is escorts. You may not have seen this from last week's video, but this one was the one that I have entered on my account somewhere here when I got the signal. So basically I have two accounts. One is on my name and the other one is on my wife's name. Escorts is on my account. So you'll find that all my entries are similar. I will scan the market, then based on the list I will decide to enter the trade or not. What I look for is some sort of consolidation once I have seen the signal, and also I'll try to emphasize how the market is rejecting the share. At the moment I'm only taking 0.25% risk on my capital due to COVID. Also the market is near the pandemic highs, so I'm hoping that the market will definitely retrace if there is no news for vaccination soon. But if you look at Nifty, that is doing far better than ASX. ASX market is really doing bad, and at the moment I'm staying out of the market here. I'll return back to the taking the complete risk that I used to take once the vaccine is out. So if we go back to the last three opportunities, Adani that got triggered on Friday, and as I'm doing this video I got a notification from S Bank as well that the amount has been debited from my account. The way I place my order is always above the previous high rejection, and I place in Zerodha using GTT order. Basically I want to buy it on strength, so the market has to move in my direction and take me along. That also means that I'm getting the share for a bit more expensive price. The other one was GMMP. This had a really good run, so my order got triggered at 4,365. That's where I have placed my order. At this moment this is giving me good 30% profit. Next one is Deepak Fertilizers. So it has already started retracing. Last week I was mentioning, right, I felt the entry that I have taken was a bit aggressive, but I was totally tempted with the amount of volume that I was seeing here. So I'm in this trade at this moment, but also it has started retracing. So let's see how it goes this week, how far it will retrace. So these are the three trades in Zerodha. All of them got triggered. Adani is still at zero because the entry only got triggered on Friday. It takes few days for the transaction to be completed. Of all the three, GMMP is a good one, but I don't know how the other two will go. From the past, right, it usually takes a good few weeks for me, for any of the trades that I enter, to be able to mature, or they will hit their stop loss and close by themselves. So it's too early to predict what will happen to any of these three trades. So from last Saturday I got three more opportunities that I have placed my GTT order on. One is Britannia Industries, the other one is JB Chemicals, and also the JK Cement Ordinaries. I'll quickly show you how they currently look. So Britannia. So this is how Britannia is looking. When I got a Scott signal, I also got Britannia, but at that point of time I wanted to swap the account and there was this funds transaction that was happening, so I missed this board here. But still it is showing strength, so that's why I have placed my order here. If it continues to show the strength and there is also volume, then it will, my order gets triggered and I will be in this trade. Next one is similar to this one is JB Chemicals. Again, it's been, so JB Chemicals has been consolidating for quite a few weeks at this point here. I'll also look at monthly, trying to understand, trying to get a whole picture. Clearly JB Chemicals is trending quite nicely, so that is the reason I have selected this, and there is this consolidation that has happened. Either it will retrace or it will continue to go up. Either way, if it retrace, then I will try to find a good opportunity to enter once the retrace is complete. If not, if it continues to show the strength, then it will, my order will get triggered and I will be taken in. Next one is JK Cement. If you look at the monthly chart of JK Cement for a complete picture, it has been trending up. So on a weekly chart, it has given me the signal, and this week it has started retracing already. But I'm still interested in this share. On Monday the candle might look bearish, but by the time Friday comes, sometimes the candle will turn into bullish candle as well. So those were the three trades that I have placed in my GTD orders. I will show you those orders in Zerodha as well. These are the three buy orders that I have placed based on GTD. You can see where the triggers are for each of them. So Britannia, JB Chemicals and JK Cement are the three trades that I have placed this week. If all the three trades get triggered, then after that I may only be able to take 2 more trades before I hit my portfolio heat. Once it hits the portfolio heat, then I have to wait for any of these trades to mature and go into a profit zone so I can move my stop loss. So after that, I will have more room to add more trades into my account. So from a high level, that's how my trades are going for this week. I want to close this video with this quote from Mark Douglas on Disciplined Trader. So the only way to trade effectively is to make yourself accountable by creating structure. But also with accountability comes responsibility. Irrespective of what happens with your trading journey, make yourself accountable. Either you make a loss or a profit, only we are accountable and responsible. I hope this video today was helpful. Please subscribe and like if you're interested in these videos.